Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Super Centers here in Junction City, Oregon. Gary.Christiance, serving you since 1981. I've got a great Pleasureway product today. It's on a Mercedes-Benz cutaway chassis. Almost the size of a camper van, but not near the size of most of the Class C's. Come on inside. Let me show you around. Electric step, open floor plan. So this has got your twin beds, and yes, they do fill in here. They do slide together and make into a monster bed. So Pleasureway, come on over here and let me show you. It's got two control panels, and they're the same no matter where you're at. Multiplex wiring, a lot of nice innovations, remote start generator, all your controls. You can push here for lighting, and I've turned all the lights on. Good overhead storage. Nice little cubbies on both sides. This is your privacy curtains. Pull down MCD pull shades right here. Good storage up on top. Heavy duty harness to keep all this stuff in and keep it up. Corian countertops. You know, one thing that everybody's commented about is how small the closet is. Well, it's not really that small. This is a small coach, and you can probably put 8 shirts or jackets in there. It's got true heating, solar panel. Here's some outlets and plug-ins and a GFI reset. DVD player. Nice big refrigerator. Up off the ground. A lot of shelves, a lot of adjustment. Freezer compartment up on top. Recessed 2-burner stove. Under counter sink. Single lever faucet. And you got good storage here in the kitchen area up above. All your windows are crank out jalousie windows. They're frameless windows. Now we're using all the space in here underneath all this plumbing. You've got some storage in there. They're all self-closers. Convection microwave. Full extension drawer. And very nice bathroom. So you've got a corner shower, all glass, easy to get in and out. Good counter space. It's got your controls in here for your water pump and your light panels, so you don't have to go out there. If you forget, it's got a control in here. We've got a little mirror that swings out. Gosh, this one, the guys might even get some room. That's a nice feature. Again, slide out windows, 110. Good storage down here below. You've got a storage area up here, and they've got this little netting system in place so stuff doesn't pop out. Poke your head around the corner, take a look at this shelf. So this shelf comes up. When this chair spun around, you've got a little workstation, 110, USB port. Of course, Mercedes-Benz, 6-cylinder, 5-speed. Great economy, great durability. Bluetooth, plenty of cup holders. You got them up on the dash, down below here, and both side doors. Got a lot of cup holders. This folds up as well as another little workstation, and again, USB port, 110 outlet. Nice little cubby space in here. Coat hanger, and here's your other monitor panel. I showed you the one in the rear, the reflection on the sun on that one. And you can do your power awnings, and all the rest of the controls are all right on either panel, front or rear. Here's another little storage space down underneath. What do you put down there? Well, whatever you put down there, it's not something you're going to need every day, but it's easy to get to. And as I mentioned earlier, cutaway chassis. We've got more outdoor storage, unlike all the camper vans where you can't cut into the body. Barbecue outlets right here. That way if you want to run your electric awning out, hook up a Barbie, you don't have to worry about bringing tanks and regulators because it runs right off your propane system. Vent for your battery. It's got a little cubby up in here, as well as the other side for storage. And I mentioned the frameless windows inside. You can see how nice in appearance they are. So this tows 5,000 pounds, already has a hitch, wiring. It's got all your controls, backup camera. Sewer hose stores right down in there. Truma heater I mentioned inside. Nice storage area here. This is where you fill your water. Of course, outdoor shower, hot and cold water, just about like on everything you see. Utility center. It's where you hook your power cord, cable TV, propane gas on and off, and city water. Vent for your refrigerator, service entrance. Nothing for you and I to get into in that. This is a propane generator. It's a 2,500 watt Onan. It's very quiet, very efficient. There's where you fill it. You just pull in and they hook the hose up. You don't have to bother with it. Sewer hoses in the rear. Dumps right here. It's very easy to get to. You don't have to get down on your hands and knees and crouch down. Even an old guy like me can get down there to it. With all Mercedes diesels, the fuel door is behind door number 1. You open it up, it's secure. Questions? I know you've got them. Just call me direct. It's 541-554-9581. My email's at the bottom of the screen. I really appreciate you. Have a good day. Goodbye.